And on Monday, October 5th, Helena Public Schools received an order for corrective action from Lewis and Clark Public Health. The order alleged that spectators at some sporting events were out of compliance with rules aimed at preventing the spread of COVID-19. MTN's Sam Hoyle shows us what the district needs to do now.
On October 5th, Lewis and Clark Public Health sent in an order of corrective action to Helena Public Schools that on both September 14th and September 28th, they had received complaints stemming from spectators not abiding by the guidelines that the district and the county had set forth for COVID-19 mitigation. Helena Public Schools is now not only required to ensure physical distancing between spectators and the use of face coverings by all spectators, but now due in part to the order, they're also required to submit an addendum to the existing plan to show how the requirements will be met. Something Helena Public Schools Activities Director Tim McMahon says will be an interesting task to complete.
We're making public service announcements at games to follow the rules. Yes, we have administrators, myself and other administrators, who are reminding people, please pull your mask up, please socially distance. So I'm not really sure the answer yet to what else can we do or will we do. I'm going to come up with something.
MTN Sports reached out to Lewis and Clark Public Health in regards to the order that was sent to Helena Public Schools. The Lewis and Clark Public Health Officer Brendan Neiman said in a statement, open quote, "There's no indication school district staff are failing to follow the plan perfectly. They are actively managing crowds and reminding spectators of the rules. However, Lewis and Clark Public Health received complaints indicating a few non-compliant spectators who choose not to follow the expectations laid out by the district, which puts others at risk. The district can only do so much to gain compliance and hold spectators accountable. Fans need to help them by doing the right thing by taking personal responsibility and following the district's rules." As a result of the order of corrective action, McMahon said in a statement that he's asked all coaches at Helena High and Helena Capital convey to the parents of the student athletes on their teams the necessity to comply with the guidelines, and that if they don't comply 100%, there's a chance that the county could strip spectating plans altogether. And while McMahon says that's not something he wants to do, if that's the only way to keep student athletes on the field or on the court this fall, he certainly will.
These are volleyball games or football games or soccer games or cross-country races. They're not a political statement. These are about kids being able to play.
Reporting in Helena, Sam Hoyle, MTN Sports.